This is a video of my RR getting gapped so badly. Check it out.
One eternity later.
And this was unacceptable, so I took my bike to a dyno to see how much power it's actually making. And the results were shocking. I was making 162, which is way below what it's supposed to be making. So I took the bike in to see what's going on, and we found a host of issues, as you can see from my trusty steed.
That's bad, bro. It's just under 6 bar. Minimum spec is 10 bar.
So obviously I had to do something about this. And as you can see here, I'm riding the bike quite hard, which now it's making 207 horsepower. Let me show you how we were able to achieve that. That's a lot of gunk, huh? And that's just from the throttle body. So join me on this video while I show you everything that we did on this bike to make it a super fast bike from wrecked to riches. What's
When we put it back, you know, everything is nice and clean.
we're cleaning the injectors, nah?
So we're going to clean the injectors and then just give the throttle body a clean as well.
As well, basically this is cleaning more than anything else. Oh yeah? Sorry.
I'll say that it's also decontaminating because we are using specific solvents to clean carbon build-up and burnt oil, things like that. So we're not just, you know, cleaning the surface. We are actually getting in there and any carbon build-up, anything in between journals, vacuum pipes, things like that. We are basically using compression stabilizer, which is acetone based, so it will eat everything away, and then we'll be using throttle body cleaner, which is also a solvent to clean it.
Makes sense.
Primary injectors, secondary injectors.
There we go. How's it look to you?
It is a bit dirty, like you can see the
Over there.
build up inside there.
Okay, yeah, right down the side.
So we want to get all of that cleaned up, all the little air journals. It's quite a hectic smell.
That's oi. So that's what the acetone takes out. Same solvent again. Oh, this is.
So this is carb cleaner.
Oh. There we go. Oi. That's a lot of gunk, huh? And that's just from the throttle bodies. They look way better now, that's for sure. Now that is?
Just a bit of thinners.
Oh. There we go. Alrighty, so you want to clean all that stuff off now?
Let's get all of this nicely cleaned up.
Oi, that is looking better.
Mooi, ne? Wanted to do box, but he didn't.
No, that is clean. Cylinder head gasket. I have to take a break out of this video to give a major shout out to BMW 4Ways for giving me all the parts that I needed to fix my bike.
Remember how they looked like?
They were. I'm gonna try to go back to the old video and try to get that clip of how they look now compared to. Oh Lord. If you guys are not already following me, I think this is a good idea to start following me because I'm on a quest of buying an M1000RR. They're all there, yeah, makes sense. There we go.
Fantastic. The retainer caps are different from the intake to the exhaust. And the red springs are always on the exhaust side. And then the green springs are always on the intake side.
Oh,
so again, just check assembly.
If it's
they
all
put it together right after taking it apart.
Brand new head bolts. There we go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just to make it. Don't forget, guys, that we actually took the head into engineering for it to get completely reconned, the valves and the actual cam gears. So we're actually going to put it back now, but there's a specific reason why we had to do this. Let me show you why. Coming back. Let's remember, the biggest problem that I had was the combustion inside my cylinder head. So with this compression stroke, it was actually losing a whole lot of compression, which is why we had to recon the head. So that is what we had to do now, and that's basically the biggest thing that we ended up achieving with this engine. So here my trusty steed is actually putting the cylinder head back onto the cylinder block. So this is a full process, and here we were busy trying to wiggle it in, but unfortunately we will not be able to show everything in this one video. So please look out for the next video. Will probably be dropped in the next couple of days. So if you're not already subscribed to me, please just clap a subscribe, and if you can, leave a comment and tell me what else do you think I could do to this motor to get it really fast.